Hello everyone. Today we are making a different salad. It's a cucumber salad with dressing, and it's going to be very delicious and beautiful also. It's a very fulfilling and fun also. See, can you see these stripes? Okay, let's do this. It's very delicious and it's attractive also. Kids also love this. So, for especially, I always try to make innovative in different shapes, all those things for to attract my daughter, right? So, kids yeah, means they if we do it differently, they will like it. So yeah, this is the stripes you can make with cucumber. Like if you have that instrument, like I have this one, so I got it this in one exhibition. It was like interesting. I got this one, or else you can use the carrot peeler, like stripes. It will come. That also you can use, or just you can make a stripes by yourself. That also fine. Anything is fine. Like you, if it is not that, you can make it a slice. That is also fine, or a stripes. My daughter doesn't like to eat vegetables. If I ask her to eat cucumber, she don't eat. But when I say I will make this, then she will say yes, yes, yes. And she will take to school also. In school also, everybody will ask for her for cucumber to give. So that is very interesting, right? So if we have these things in different instrument to make these stripes and all, it's good. See, I have arranged this simply to decorate. That's it. So you can just pour the dressing on this and just you can give it like that itself, or else you can just mix it and give it. Okay, and this is very fun also, look, for looking wise and for making wise. So let's start making the dressing is also very simple. You can make alternatives also. You can add some more elements or you can skip it. You can do it like that. So I'm using here 2 tablespoon of sesame seeds. It's a raw one. Even you can take a roasted one. That is totally up to you. It's fine. If you don't like the raw taste, you can go for roasted one. Just grind that fast. And I have taken here soaked cashews. So that also, like I have soaked it like half cup or little lesser than that. Okay, that is fine. So measurement is also not like strictly you have to use this much and that much. No, you can use according to your thing, but yet it will give you taste. Like taste will be awesome. Okay, so just add soaked cashews and grind that also. Then we will add water and we will grind. So or else you can just add water also along together. You can grind, but sometimes what happens, like if we add water, that it won't become smooth paste sometimes. So that's why I'm grinding like this. So salt I'm adding here according to the taste. So then black pepper, whole black pepper I'm adding here, but you can add powder also, black pepper powder. That is also fine. Anything is okay. So and just add water and grind now. So I have taken here like a half cup of water for this much. Um, you can add some more water. So how you want dressing to be? Like thin, liquidy, then you can add some more water also. That's totally up to you. See, and now I'm adding some more water. Means it's a same amount. It's a half cup of water only. Now you can add a lemon. So half lemon I have taken here. You can add that and just grind, give a mix, or just grind one more time. Just whisk it. That's it. Done. Right? So now we are adding here green leaves. What green leaves will go with this? See, mint, coriander leaves, or dill leaves, or three of them also you can add, or else any one also you can add, whatever you have. So I am adding here cilantro, coriander leaves. So handful of cilantro, like you can take more also. See how much I have taken here. So that much you can add. Even mint also you can add. So add that and just give a mix with a spoon. That's it. No need to grind it now. that dressing is ready. It's actually nothing else required. We didn't add anything else, right? Some people will add like ginger or carbs or masalas. It doesn't require anything, only this is enough. And that cucumber and this, it's like combination, it's very beautiful. I find it little thicker one, the dressing, but if you want some more thin, you can add some more water. Just mix it, see how beautiful it is. It evenly coated everywhere, and you can enjoy eating this like very very delicious also, like it's juicy and fresh, you feel so fresh, and that's it, guys. And or else you can use it as a dip, see, like this. Take slice of cucumber and you can enjoy like this without doing that, that is also fine. So dressing is ready, it's very simple and easy and elegant, because we add these cashews and all, that gives you a richness. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, enjoy. Enjoy. And I'm enjoying it, actually. It's so delicious and so beautiful. Instead of dinner, go for a light dinner, this one. Or instead of breakfast, go for a light breakfast, this one. Okay. So always skip dinner or a breakfast, just have this healthy version of salads or something like that, or fruits. When I have added mint later on for garnishing. Okay, you can add mint also. It gives some more freshness, it adds up. So yeah, it's up to you. And this is done. Very beautiful it is. I was like enjoyed eating this. Okay, guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Namaste. Thank you. Bye. Namaste.